Welcome back, everybody. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today is the 15th of February, 2022. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about what's happening within the Cosmos ecosystem. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on what's happening within the space, as well as what's happening on the charts for a lot of these assets within the Cosmos ecosystem. But before I do that, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Admittingly, it does help us grow here on YouTube, but it also helps the entire Cosmos ecosystem as well. So it's kind of a win-win. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll also have you know that when you do subscribe, you could possibly win yourself some crypto once we do hit 1,000 subscribers. So do yourself a favor, guys. Jump on in there, smash that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and start this video off by looking at Atom on the daily time frame. We're still using Market Cipher as our oscillator and indicator tool of choice. Right now, the thing I want to point out to you guys is we are trading for $28.35. Check out Market Cipher B, which is the lower section of the charts, guys. We are seeing the RSIs, which are a lagging indicator. Keep in mind, we are on the daily time frame. They do lag behind the higher you get with your time frames, so do with that what you will. But the RSIs are now clearly rounding and pointing back up. We also show positive on the money flow. That's being represented down here with these momentum waves being in the green, and also you can see it being represented down here on the bar simply by the green and the red obviously being negative money flow, green being positive money flow. The thing I want to point out to you guys is that we actually have 3 total indicators on Market Cipher B, which is again the lower section of the charts that we always take a look at. Right now we are seeing the RSIs pointing up. We are also seeing a green trigger buy dot right here on the daily time frame, which still needs to confirm. It still has about 8 hours and 26 minutes for it to fully confirm. It could get us faked out. It could actually bring us up to higher price points, but usually these trigger dots, once they do confirm, actually bring us to the upside. So keep that in mind. And then again, like I said, we are still in the green as far as money flow goes, guys. So we have 3 different signals on Market Cipher B telling us that we could see some price appreciation here shortly. Don't front run anything. Again, we are in the daily time frame. Things actually do lag behind the higher you get with the higher time frames. So again, guys, kind of be a little bit patient. Wait for things to confirm. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just pointing out to you guys what I'm seeing on the charts for Atom. Guys, right now we are looking a-okay. We need to get back up above the 200 SMA. The 200 SMA on Market Cipher A, which is the top section of the charts here, is this yellow line right here. Again, I've been telling you guys time and time again that we could come in and out of the 200 SMA. So far, so good. We've been doing exactly like I thought we would be doing. In fact, we're kind of just ranging. We've just been kind of ranging right here within this section of the charts. We have a lot of things actually happening here shortly for the Cosmos ecosystem, for the Atom token in particular. That's going to be a game changer for the Atom token. So again, guys, as we go sideways, that's not a bad thing. That's actually a really good thing. That's actually showing some really good strength for the Atom token and for the Cosmos space, guys. So we could just keep going sideways and up a little bit as we kind of range within this pattern that I'm showing you guys right here. Now, again, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but I'm going to go ahead and show this to you guys one more time. If you guys zoom out on the daily time frame, as you guys can see, we are doing really well when you take all things into consideration. Ever since the March dump or the Corona dump back in 2020, as you can see, we have a trend line that's been holding up really well to the upside. Yes, I have moved it as price action has brought us up and to the right, but as you can see, so far so good. It has been holding up quite well. Now, I've been telling you guys that the average move below the 200 SMA, if we do see some further dumpage, because there are some geopolitical things actually happening, there's some uncertainty with the feds and what we're actually dealing with. Then of course, we actually have elections coming up here shortly in the United States, so that always brings a little bit of volatility within these markets. If we do see ourselves catching a really good sell-off, we can see the average move below the 200 SMA, which again is this yellow line, bringing us all the way down 39.17%, because that is the average move, guys, that we see the price action bring us down to once the 200 SMA is broken. That would lead us all the way down to this line, which is right around $18 to $20 before catching some more support and probably bumping us back up in price. Now, this price point and the total average that we have calculated brings us exactly to this trend line. So kind of funny how things are working out, guys. Right now, we are still well away from that. And my opinion is I don't think that we're actually going to get all the way down there. But if we do, I'm just telling you guys right now, that would be a really good place to maybe start deploying a DCA strategy. I know for myself, again, not financial advice, that's what I'm planning to do if we actually get that opportunity presented to us, because you got to remember, dips are opportunities if you're a long-term investor, and I'm seeing that as a massive opportunity for me to restack more Atom into my bags if it gives me that opportunity. But I just kind of want to show you guys what we're dealing with right now. Don't front run things. Again, things are a little bit sketchy right now. What I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for Market Cipher B again to show me confirmation on this green dot, and then we might see ourselves come back up above the 200 SMA. And usually when we do come back above the 200 SMA, you can see that we really do have some nice rallies leading up back almost to all-time highs, if not hopefully this time breaking past our all-time high resistance levels, which is right around $45 to $44. That's what I have right now for Atom, guys. Let's go on over to some of the things that are actually developing within the Cosmos space that I want to talk to you guys about. The first thing is this tweet from the LUM network, guys. I know a lot of you guys might have been sleeping on the LUM network, but they're saying millions of reviews will start to flow on chain in a couple of days. Stay tuned. So hopefully you guys haven't been sleeping on LUM. Now, just a real quick brief recap on what LUM is. LUM is basically like, you know what Google reviews are, or Yelp reviews. What they're trying to do is basically redo that whole system and give a more honesty to reviewers of companies, guys. If you guys don't know, I own a company, a medical company. Reviews on Google and Yelp and things like that are really skewed. They're really hard for the actual companies in themselves to actually fight. There's a lot of people that just like to post nasty reviews, and it's not fair to companies when they do actually give out negative reviews, because a lot of times, guys, I'm being very honest, a lot of times reviews don't actually reflect what really happened in that company or within that transaction, whether it be a face-to-face transaction or a money transaction or procedure transaction. So what they're trying to do is bring fairness to that review system. That's what LUM network is all about. I'm super bullish on LUM long term, and I've been staking my LUM for a while now. So this is really good news. I'm super excited. Don't sleep on LUM, guys. Do yourself a favor, go check out LUM, drop them a follow on Twitter, check them out, see what they're all about. So shout outs to the LUM network team, guys. I hope they do really well. I'm super bullish, like I said. Let's go ahead and jump on into some other news that's actually breaking right now, guys. We're going to be talking about Juno swap again. I just recently put out my video about the raw airdrop that's happening here shortly yesterday, and today I kind of want to just update you guys on some further developments that's actually happening for the Juno ecosystem. Right here we can see Juno swap put out another tweet. Retroactive incentives cannot be introduced by the Juno swap core team. This will have to be done after the fair drop distribution. Raw holders will control the DAO governance and can propose this. So again, guys, what they're basically trying to say right there is, look, if we want to see retroactive rewards to people who've been providing liquidity on the Juno swap DEX, all we have to do is come up with a proposal ourselves and put it up for the people to vote on. That is the beautiful thing about the setup here, guys. It's all about having a say, having your voice matter, having your voice count, and participating in governance, guys. So don't forget, be an active participant in governance. That's what it's all about, guys. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump on into some further Juno news, guys. Juno Network put out another tweet here. It says, Proposal 14 to add Kickstarter incentives to Juno swap DEX is closing, passing with a 98%, guys. We knew that was going to happen. It is closing today, guys. Today was the close off date for that proposal. So really exciting, bullish news. Bullish things happening for the Juno network, for the Juno swap DEX. Guys, be ready. Things are going to explode for Juno here shortly. Now, the last bit of information for the Juno ecosystem was actually brought to my attention by a viewer on our YouTube videos. So big up to Serious Crypto here that left a comment in my previous video telling us, guys, there's going to be a bonus snapshot for raw for Juno swap liquidity providers, guys. Take a look at this right here, guys. This is confirmed. This came from Juno swap DEX itself. Note, there will be a random bonus snapshot for those who remain bonded until the distribution day. So I know a lot of people were just kind of in it to win it, to get that airdrop, and they were going to get out as quickly as possible, guys. The people that stick around, you're going to get a bonus, and that's coming straight from the Juno swap DEX team, guys. So maybe don't just pull your liquidity just yet, guys. Maybe stick around and be patient a little bit more, and you'll see further incentives and further allocations be given to you. So I just just want to let you guys know again, big up to Sirius, guys. Thank you guys so much. That's what it's all about, guys. It's sometimes really hard to keep up with what's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem, what's happening within the Juno ecosystem. I need some help. So guys, if you guys got yourself some alpha and you guys think I missed something, send me a message, let me know, and I will cover it in the video, guys. Again, big ups to Sirius, guys. But that's what I got for today, guys. I hope you guys are all doing well. Please don't forget, subscribe to the video, like this video. It really does help us out, guys. Be on the lookout for more IBC gang related content coming out here shortly. We have a lot of projects that we're working on that I can't tell you guys just yet about, but I want to so bad. But do yourself a favor, if you guys want to get involved in a community that's trying to do big things, trying to promote the Cosmos ecosystem, join our Discord. You can find the link down below. Subscribe to the channel so you can be the first one to see the videos when they drop here on YouTube. With that being said, guys, stay blessed, stay in profits. Peace.